This is our Ultraprobe 15000. You probably know it already for years. It has been your reliable, versatile and advanced ultrasonic inspection instrument. And now we have reimagined it and made it better. It's my pleasure to present to you the Ultraprobe 15000 Reimagined. What really stands out is the new improved and slick design. But what you will absolutely love is the fantastic new feature. Now the Ultraprobe 15000 will have Wi-Fi communication. That means you can send all your data to DMS via Wi-Fi. It also means the Ultraprobe 15000 will be ready to use with cloud software. We have improved the camera as well. We have now a high resolution camera so you can get crisp and clear images. And on top of that, the Ultraprobe 15000 packs a new high power processor, allowing you to perform your inspections even faster than before. All the existing features will still be available. SD card slot for when using Wi-Fi is not possible, or Bluetooth communication, laser pointer, sound recording. We can use it with the same modules as always, and for the standard applications. Detecting compressed air leaks, bearing condition monitoring, lubrication, steam traps, valve inspection, and of course electrical partial discharge detection. Curious about our reimagined Ultraprobe 15000? Then contact us and we'll be happy to schedule the demonstration.